Good evening, children. Good evening, online students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah, so continuing with the word problems on linear equations, this is the next one. Write on this question. This is where we stopped. I think this was the last one we did. This was the last one we did. This is the question. So continuing from there. Take down the question, children.
Ma'am, this is Aishwarya. I just joined right now. Did you do any other question than this?
No, we just started.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yeah, see you. Oh, yeah, you spoke this afternoon, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, hi. Okay, 9:30. 9:30. Hi, good evening. Yeah. I'll let you in. Taking the question, all of you. Maybe you can listen to this one and start writing from the next one. All right. So get your book outside. All right, children. So in the question, we have two characters, Meera and Meera's mother. In this question, we have two characters, Meera and Meera's mother. So what is given? Meera's mother is 4 times as old as Meera. Meera's mother is 4 times as old as Meera, meaning if Meera's present age is X years, then her mother's age will be 4 times Meera's age. Meera is X years old. Her mother's age is 4 times her age, meaning 4 into X. 4 times meaning multiplication. 4 times, so 4 into X. So let Meera's present age be X years. Okay, then Meera's mother's present age will be 4X years. reading the question ahead. After 5 years, so now we are into the future. Percentages we have assumed. Percentage of Meera X, percentage of Meera's mother, 4x years. All right. Next, after 5 years. So we are now 5 years into the future. Her mother, okay. Now, don't read the question. After 5 years. So what will be Meera's age after 5 years? Her percentage is X. So her age after 5 years will be, so you're 13 now. So your age after 5 years will be 13 plus 5. So similarly here, X plus 5. Meera's percentage is X. 5 years later, X plus 5. Meera's mother's percentage is 4x. 5 years later, 4x plus 5. So that's what you see here. Meera's age 5 years later will be her percentage x plus 5. And Meera's mother's age after 5 years will be her percentage 4x plus 5. Now, what does the question say? Her mother will be, after 5 years, her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. So, see, so according to the question, what will be the mother's age after 5 years? 4x plus 5. Mother's age will be. See, whatever you're reading in words must be replaced with a mathematical expression. Whatever you read in words, in the question, whatever you read in words must be replaced with a mathematical expression. All right. So what does the question say? Let me write this again. Okay, I'll just take this away and write it again. So what does the question say? After 5 years, okay. Her mother will be. So when you read her mother will be, you must write her mother's age. Her mother will be, meaning you should write her mother's age, 4x plus 5. Will be. See, everything in English is converted to math. Her mother means 4x plus 5. Okay, will be means equal to. 3 times means 3 into. Old as she will be then. She is Meera here. So that is x plus 5. Replace everything you read in English with mathematical expressions. I'll do it again. I'll do the same thing again. Please watch carefully. So this part of the question we have used for assumption. Don't read this again. This is over. Her age is X and her mother's age is 4X. This we have already used. This information is already used up. Now, after 5 years, see, how did we use this information? Again, we've used it to, get the expressions for the ages, right? After 5 years. So this also is used. Okay. Her mother, that is 4x plus 5. Will be means equal to. 3 times, meaning 3 into. As old as she will be then. So what will be Meera's age after 5 years? X plus 5. So this is what, that's all. That's what I've written. 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 into x plus 5. That's what I wrote earlier. 4x plus 5 is equal to 3 into x plus 5. This is the equation. Isn't it simple? That's all it is. Online students, do we understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, please solve this equation and get the value of x for me. Have you written your name in the book there? Yeah. Just write your name and pass the book to me.
Ma'am, Netra here.
Yeah. What's the value of x? Yeah, what's the value of x?
5.
5. X is 5. So what will be their percentages?
Their percentages will be x plus 5. That is Meera's percentage is 10 years, ma'am, and Meera's mother's age is 25.
Okay. Yeah, see you. Right. Yeah. Thank you.
Ma'am, Meera's present.
Yeah, 1 second. Sorry. Just a second.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this Gayatri ma'am, but I'm getting a different answer.
No, that's what. No. Even I was not sure about that. That's why I didn't, like acknowledge the answer. Let's see. Disable your mic, Gayatri. Not Meera. Oh, who's that? Netra, did you multiply 3 with 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you got excess 10, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So Meera's percentage is 10 years and her mother's percentage is 4 into 10, 40 years, correct? Yeah, right on.
Yes, ma'am.
Please take down. Oh, you'll do from the next one?
Ma'am, actually, I did mistake in subtraction 15 when I said
That's
simple
what,
mistake.
yeah. No, actually, I was confused. Like, I was not able to figure out where you've gone wrong. Right. You got it yourself? That's nice.
Yeah, ma'am, I did a very easy mistake, silly mistake, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever, you found it yourself. That's nice. Therefore, Meera's percentage is equal to 10 years. Meera's mother's percentage. Four into 10, 40 years. Yes. All that you see on the screen must be in your book. Done writing, all of you? Online
Yes,
students?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So there's the next question. A mother is 46 years old and her son is 21 years old in the year 1997. A mother is 46 years old and her son is 21 years old in the year 1997. In what year was the mother 6 times as old as the son? In what year was the mother 6 times as old as the son? Just give it a shot. Let's see how you can try it. Or if you take down the question, try this.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have a doubt, ma'am. In which
Yes.
year the mother 6 times means that in same year, ma'am, 21 years, 6 times mother.
No, no, like for example, see, 6 times meaning, say if the child is 5 years old, 5 into 6, 30. 6 times.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
So,
I'm asking that only, ma'am. So just a years calculate. It's
no, you should not do this. This is not a mental question. You need to show the steps. You can arrive at
yeah,
the
ma'am.
answer by working it in your mind, but you need to show the presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is
Yeah.
it ma'am, the year is 2077 for me. Answer is coming.
But you have to keep in mind the human life expectancy rate also. So it cannot be
How,
an answer which
ma'am?
is not, no, it cannot be an answer which is not acceptable. It may be
Okay,
in, yeah. See, like supposing you
ma'am.
get an
Ma'am,
answer
I
like,
got the year as
yeah, you got the year as
1981.
who's that?
Harsha, ma'am.
Harsha, 1981. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it can, yeah. The mother is already 46 years old now. So 6 times. So you don't go into the future. You have to go back to the past. So sometime in the past, maybe the mother was 6 times as old as her son. Yes.
This is Aishwarya. I got it as 1981.
Okay, fine. Let's
Okay,
see.
ma'am. I've gone to the future.
Yeah, that's what it is. So in the future, see the answer which you get may be right. Like in that particular year, the mother's age will be 6 times the son's age. But then again, you understand what I meant, right? So
Yeah,
getting an
ma'am.
answer beyond 120 years, 130 years old doesn't make sense. Keeping in mind today's life expectancy rate. So that is not accepted. So go back, meaning go back in the past, maybe sometime the mother was 6 times as old as her son. So let's do that first. So we'll do the past work first and then come to the future. If that's not working, then we'll come to the future. See, past also, supposing you get the son was, minus 12 years old, it's not possible. Son is, x is equal to minus 12. Son was minus 12 years old. Again, it's not possible. Okay, so like that.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we need to work. See, we really can't say anything now. You have to work. So let X years, let X years ago, the mother's age be 6 times son's age. So So this is the son's age, 21 minus x, mother's age, 46 minus x. So mother was 6 times the son's age. So 46 minus x is equal to 126 minus 6x. So minus x plus 6x is equal to 126 minus 46. 5x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 divided by 5. 16. So 16 years ago. 16 years ago. 16 years ago is possible because the son was born at that time, because his present age is 21 years. So you can go back to the past by 16 years because he was born. He is now 21 years, meaning in the year 1997, he was 21 years old. So it's possible. 16 years is possible. So 16 years meaning 1997 minus 16. Subtract.
It's, for me, it's confusing, ma'am.
No problem. It will become clear. I haven't still explained. So in the year,
Okay.
in the year 1981, the mother's age was 6 times her son's age. Right? Okay. So now it can be, see, it can be X years ago. This situation would have happened, or maybe it's still to happen, meaning the situation can be applicable to the past or to the future. So let's try the past first. Okay, you try the future. So when you, so Netra tried the future and she got something beyond 100. So yeah, so we said that's not possible. So we go back to the past. So we'll start with that. So let X years ago. What is the condition? The question is, in what year was the mother 6 times as old as the son? So we'll say let X years ago. Let X years ago, the mother's age be 6 times the son's age. X years ago. That is 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, like that. So some X years ago. Some X years ago, the mother's age was 6 times her son's age. Okay. So what will be the son's age X years ago? What is, see, we are not in the present also. We are now in the, this is the year 1997. This is the year 1997. Okay. This is not 2023 now. This is the year 1997. Okay, we have a time machine. Okay, so this is the year 1997. And there are 2 people, mother, son. The son is 21 years old in the year 1997. Now it's 1997 and there is a boy, there's a young man who's 21 years old and whose mother is 46 years old. Now the question is, there was a time in the past when the mother was 6 times the son's age. You'll have to find when. It's like a riddle. There was a time in the past when the mother was 6 times the son's age. When was it? In which year was that? So we'll say some X years ago. We don't know, right? We won't calculate. We can't. Okay, we'll not do the finger calculation. So we'll work it mathematically. We'll construct equations. We'll solve and find it. So we'll say let X years ago. So what would have been the son's age X years ago? His present age is 21. So 5 years ago, it would have been 21 minus 5. Or 6 years ago, he would have been 21 minus 6. Or 10 years ago, he would have been 21 minus 10. So X years ago, he would have been 21 minus X. Not X minus 21. See, now you are 13 years old. Your age 5 years ago, 13 minus 5. Not 5 minus 13, right? Your present age minus 5. Now your age 10 years ago will be 13 minus 10. Similarly, the son's age X years ago would have been his present age 21 minus X. And the mother's age X years ago would have been her present age 46 minus X. Now make that the equation. What's the equation? Write the mother's age. Mother's age is equal to, sometime back in the past, okay, the mother's age was 6 times son's age. This is mother in the past, mother's age in the past. This is the son's age in the past. Okay, mother's age sometime in the past was 6 times the son's age. 6 times means 6 into. Yeah, so work this, solve this equation, find the value of X. You get X is 16. So that means 16 years ago. X years ago, 16 years ago. 16 years ago meaning 1997 minus 16, 1981. So in the year 1981, 16 years ago, okay, tell me what would have been the son's age 16 years ago? 21 minus 16, 5. And what would have been the mother's age 16 years ago? 46 minus 16, 30. 5 and 30, 6 times. And it's possible, no? Son 5 years old, mother 30 years old is possible. If you get impractical answers, you must reject that. If you get a situation like the son is 1 year old and the father is 10 years old, it's not possible. Son is, okay, son is 1 year old and the mother is 6 years old. They're also to 6 times. They're also to 6 times. The son is 1 year old, the mother is 6 years old. They're also to 6 times, but it's not practical. So you should leave that. That means it will be in the future. Supposing you worked like this and you got the answer as, the son is 1 year old and the mother is 6 years old. It is 6 times, but it's not practical. So that means you should then work for the future. Let X years hence the mother's age be 6 times the son's age. Then the mother's age in the future will be 46 plus 6. Son will be 21 plus 6. And do the same working. Equation is the same. But the ages will be 21 plus 6 and 46 plus 6. Yeah, take down this. Write down, online students. Done writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah, Netra, any questions now? Anybody for that matter? Please ask me questions. Any clarifications?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please practice. See, read the question, practice the same thing. Then if the second time you do it, it should be clear, better than what you've understood now. You need to revisit whatever you understand. Done writing? Yeah. 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 Okay. So this question says the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Have we done number sums earlier? We have. Huh? Okay. So the sum of the digits. No, two-digit number. Finding the two-digit number. No, that will decide how much I must talk. If you've already done it. Yeah. Okay. Online students, any idea? Have we come across a question like this earlier?
Yes, ma'am. 1/10 that one, ma'am.
Yeah, correct, Gayatri. Yes. Okay. All right. Fine. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. I told you when you read this question, if you see this word reversed, then don't read the question at all ahead. No, it's okay. Come back here. So when you see this, now you understand that the question is about a two-digit number. The question is about a two-digit number. And you can see the word reversed here. Then don't read the question at all, meaning completely. Don't try to understand anything more. Make these assumptions first. Okay, make these assumptions. What assumptions? Once it's a two-digit number, so you will have two place values, ones and tens, or units and tens as you call it. Okay, so let the say the ones digit be x. Okay, so let the ones digit. You can even call the tens digit as x. That's your choice. Not that you must call the ones digit as x. Anything, either the ones digit or the tens digit as x. So let the ones digit be x. So that now by the condition, the question ones digit plus tens digit is equal to what? Is equal to what, children? What is ones digit plus a tens digit?
9.
9 is given. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number, like the number can be say like 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. Or the number can be 81 or 18, where the sum of the digits is 9. So the number can be 36 or 63, can be 45 or 54. Correct? So like this. So the sum of the digits, the ones digit plus the tens digit is 9, is given, is 9. Now we have assumed the ones digit as x plus the tens digit is equal to 9, is equal to 9. So the tens digit in terms of x is 9 minus x. The tens digit in terms of x in terms of x is 9 minus x. So this is 9 minus x. You need to assume one digit and find the expression for the other digit in terms of x. Or we have assumed the ones digit to be x. Now we need to find the tens digit in terms of x. So how do we find that? Ones digit plus the tens digit is equal to 9 is given to us. So x plus tens digit is equal to 9. So tens digit is equal to 9 minus x. So I filled it here, 9 minus x. Now find the expression for the number. So this I told you. You know, when you have a number like 4, 7, 2, 3, 6, remember we used to write that in the expanded form. The expanded form, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So we have written like this, right? 1 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Yes or no? This is how we express the number in the expanded form. Expanded form. We multiply the digit with the respective place value. We multiply the digits with the respective place value. So 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. In the same way, the expression for the number, therefore, the two-digit number, the two-digit number is equal to multiply the digit with the respective place value. Place value is 10 and the digit there is 9 minus x. See, now you might think 9 minus x is not one digit. It is one digit. Now, once we find the value of x, supposing we get x is 2, 9 minus 2, 7 is one digit. Now, in the assumption, it looks like 9 minus x, which is not one digit. But once you find the value of x and get the answer, that will be a single digit. So the digit now in the tens place is 9 minus x. That is, this represents the digit in the tens place. 9 minus x represents the digit in the tens place. Okay. I said multiply the digit with the respective place value. 10 is the place value. And in the tens place, you have 9 minus x. Multiply. Plus ones place, we have x. So 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x. Multiply. 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus x. So that gives you 90 minus 9x. This is the expression for the original two-digit number. Don't read the question. We are not done. Now the number when the digits are reversed, ones, tens. So 9 minus x comes here, x comes here. Ones and tens will not get interchanged. Place values we cannot change. We are not mathematicians, right? We cannot create new things now. So ones, tens remain in their places. The digits you exchange. So x, you can understand. See, this one we have exchanged. You can see it. Correct? Okay, so now what is the expression for the new number? Therefore, the new number, or therefore the number formed by reversing the order of the digits. The order of the digits. By reversing the order of the digits is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into 9 minus x. So that is 10x plus 9 minus x. 1 into 9. 1 into 9 is 9. Plus into minus minus 1 into x is x. So this gives us 9x plus 9. This is the expression for the new number. So what have we assumed? We started with x. Now we just started with x. Okay. And yeah, sorry. It's not. Next one will be a test, and when you do it yourself, it will be clear. Now see, you're learning something new. You're seeing this for the first time. Obviously, not obviously. It's okay if you're confused, if it's not clear. That's because you're scared, like you're judging yourself. In your mind, you're judging yourself. That is this possible? Will I be able to do this? You don't judge yourself. Just let yourself loose and free. Your mind is taking charge of the situation. All right, you can do it. Yeah, that's because you're judging yourself. Like, it's difficult. What's going on and on? She's still assuming. She's not still constructed the equation. You can do it. It comes with practice. Yeah. So this is the, we are done with the assumptions now. Now read the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. We've used this. The sum of the digits is 9. Here we have used it. If the digits are reversed, yeah, we have done that assumption also. Now read. This is the information we have to use to construct the equation. This one is used to construct the equation. We have used this for assumption. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. This one we have used for assuming the digits. And this also we have already used. If the digits are reversed. Okay. Now, if the digits are reversed, the number is 63 more than the original number. That is the new number. When the digits are reversed, the new number is 63 more than the original number. How do you express that? You just have to express it using an equation. That information, so according to the question, which number is greater? Which number is greater by the question? The new number or the original number? If the digits are reversed, the number is, that is the new number is 63 more than the original number. Which is greater? Online students? New number is greater. If the digits are reversed, the number is, that is the new number. If the digits are reversed, the number is meaning they're talking about the new number. What is the number you get when the digits are reversed? That's a new number, right? That number is 63 more. The new number is 63 more than the original number. So just make an equation out of that. What is the expression for the new number? 9x plus 9. What is the expression for the original number? 90 minus 9x. Which is heavier? This one is heavier. This one is heavier. 9x plus 9 is heavier because it's bigger. So when you construct an equation, it's about balancing the two sides. If it is heavier, if one side is heavier, don't add something that will become more heavy. If one side is heavier, subtract something from there. Or if one side is lighter, add something there. Then see, because you're constructing an equation. So you need to balance both the sides. When you're constructing an equation, you need to balance both the sides. The LHS should be equal to the RHS. That is what an equation is. So you know that the new number is bigger than the original number. The new number is bigger than the original number. So I'll write the new number here, 9x plus 9. I put an equal to sign. And I write the original number here, 90 minus 9x. Sorry. 90 minus 9x. I hope online students use the emoji, raise your hand. Online students use the emoji, raise your hand. Anantika, Harsha, Gayatri, Ariston, Lakshana, Netra. Are you there, Aishwarya? Okay. All right. So we write the two numbers on either sides of the equal to sign. 9x plus 9 is what? The new number or the original number? This one. This is the new number. And this is the original number. Now, do you think you're justifying when you put an equal to sign in the middle? No. Which one is heavier? Which side is heavier? The new number. This one is heavier. But you need to balance the two sides. So you must subtract 63 from this side or add 63 to this side. Then it becomes an equation. You should not do both. See, you can do one of the two. Now this side is heavier. This side is heavier. So if it's heavier, you need to subtract 63 from here. So now it becomes an equation. Or the lighter side. There you add 63, it will become heavy. If you add 63, it will become heavy. Now the equation is balanced. It's called an equation now. Now it's balanced. You've balanced both the sides. You can do one of the two. To the lighter side, add something or multiply something. To the lighter side, you can add or multiply. To the heavier side, you can subtract or divide. To the heavier side, subtract or divide. To the lighter side, add or multiply. Okay, so do one of the two. So say we do this. Okay. Now you need to solve this equation and find the value of x. Yes, children. Now read the question. Now it's your turn to read the question very mindfully. Please understand everything in the question. See the answer, go through the answer and then take it down. Complete it. Solve it, find the value of x and hence find the original number. You can just include the new number here. The new number is yes. Where the 2-digit number is equal to 10 into 9 minus x, is it? Yeah, so I was telling you, how do you write the, how do you get the number? You need to construct the expression for the number, right? So for that, we use the idea of writing the number in the expanded form. See here, we have answer. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me do one thing. I need to take the next slide. Write down the answer. I'll come back to your question. Yeah. Is it cold? You fine? Sure.
The first one, it says some of the not both the digits will be like in next one. Two digit number. But here you say it's like one digit number plus two digit numbers.
No, I haven't finished it. Let me solve this and tell you the answer. 1 second. So on solving this, what will you get? Help me to solve this. Yeah, solve this for me, Saujanya. Yeah, 9x. This 9x travels here, no? So it will become plus 9x is equal to 90 plus 63. Will be 153. Okay, minus 9, correct? 18x is equal to 144. So x will be equal to x is equal 18. Very good. 144 divided by 18. X is equal to 144 divided by 18. Okay, so that will be 8. 18 eights because it ends with 4. I assume that 8 8 is 64. So it should be 18 8 times. X is equal to 8. Now, therefore, the original number is equal to, what is the original number? 90 minus 9x. The original 2-digit number, or the 2-digit number, whatever you say. Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to 2-digit number. Digit number is equal to, what is it? 90 minus 9x. That is equal to 90 minus 9 into 8, correct? Yeah, 9 8s are 72. 90 minus 72 is 18. 18. So the 2-digit number is 18. Yeah. I'll do one thing. We'll work the same thing again. As I'm working, you can ask me a question. Okay. Done writing, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let me share a picture of this answer for you. Saujanya. Where are you writing, by the way? Which one? Where are you writing? 9x plus 9, is it? Okay. Make it first. Okay. I'll let you know. So we'll work the same thing by taking the digit in the tens place as x. Yeah, so let me start with we're going to work the same question by taking the digit in the tens place as x. So like this, once tens, let this be x. So let the tens digit be x. All right. Yes. Tell me, what should I write next? Ones digit plus tens digit is equal to 9, because the sum of the digits is 9. So is equal to 9. So have we assumed the ones digit or the tens digit? So I'll write this ones digit as it is. Ones digit as it is. Plus x is equal to 9. So the ones digit in terms of x, ones digit is equal to 9 minus 6. Is this understood? Yeah. See, now it's 9 minus x. It looks like it's not one digit. How can you say 9 minus x is one digit? No, it has x in it. Once you get the value of x, so supposing x is 1, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is one digit only, no? Now this assumption looks like an expression. But once you get the answer for x, then it's only one digit. 9 minus x is only one digit. So the ones digit is 9 minus x. So 9 minus x. Yes. What's the expression for the number? Hi, Smriti, what is the expression for the number? Use the concept of writing a number in the expanded form. 4th standard, 5th standard. We have written numbers in the expanded form. 579. How do you write this in the expanded form? 5 into 100, correct? Plus, plus, use the same idea here. 1 into x. So therefore, the two-digit number is equal to, yeah, 1 into plus, what's the place value? 1 into, oh, it's like this, you know. See, you're multiplying the digit with the respective place value. Hundreds, tens, ones. 100 into 5 plus 10 into 7 plus 1 into 9. 10. 1. Sorry, this is 10. Sorry, sir. I think I confused you. I forgot to write 10 here. Let's come again. Tell me from the beginning. 10 into x plus 1 into 9 minus 6. Now open the bracket. 10 into x is 10x plus, when you multiply 1 with 9 minus x, you will get 9 minus 6 itself. 1 into 9 is 9. 1 into minus x is minus x. So it is 10x minus x. You need to participate. 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. This is the expression for the original number. All right. Now you try, Saujanya. Now when the digits are reversed. Okay, when the digits are reversed. So it's something like this. Ones, tens. So what should I write x? Ones place I must write x. And tens place 9 minus x. So therefore the new number, or therefore the number formed by reversing the digits. By reversing the digits. Therefore the number formed by reversing the digits is equal to what? Tell me. 10 into x. Very good. Multiply 10 into 9. 90 minus 10x plus x. And that simplifies to
80. Sorry, 90 minus 9x.
90 minus 9x. Right here? Understood? Online students? Is it any questions so far? Okay. Now let's construct the equation. We have assumed we've got the expression for the original number and the new number. Now let's construct the equation. What did we understand from the question? When the digits are reversed, the new number is 63 more than the original number. No, that's what happens. So supposing you have the number 18. When you reverse the digits, it becomes 81. So the new number is more than the original number, right? Or if the number is 72 and the number formed by reversing the digits will be 27. In this case, the number formed by reversing the digits is less than the original number. See, let me write it for you. Original number. Supposing the original number is 18, then what's the new number? What's the new number? 81. What's happening in this case? The new number is more than the original number. Take this case, 63. Original number. What's the new number? 36. What's happening here? The new number is less than the original number. Exactly. So it can be anyways. Can be anyways. So here in this question, it is given that the new number, when I say new number, it is a number formed by reversing the digits. The new number is 63 more than the original number. So that means, let me write the, you can write anything. Say you can write the original number first also. This is the original number. And this is the new number. This is the new number. Correct? I've written the two expressions on either sides, connected by an equal to sign. And you know, you're not right. Correct? You've written on the LHS, you have the expression for the original number. No, you tell me, I think I'm talking too much. That's why you're not able to understand. 1 second. I want to write the original number in the LHS. What should I write? 9x plus 9 is equal to. I want to write the new number in the RHS. What should I write? Okay. Which side is heavier or which side is lighter? Which side is heavier? Wherever the new number is. Where's the new number? LHS or RHS? RHS. This is heavy, right? So if it's heavy, what will you do? You will add this. You will add something here? No. Will you multiply something here? No. You can subtract or divide. But here there's division is not possible. You'll have to subtract. So you can write minus 63 here. You can write minus 63 here. Or if you don't want to write this, you can add 63 here. There's a lighter side. So you can add 63 here. Now it becomes an equation. Is it understood? Yeah. See, you can also write this nothing. You can write the new number also first. That's your choice. You can even write the new number first. 90 minus 9x and then equal to 9x plus 9. So in this case, this is the new number. This is the original number. So you should add or subtract in the correct side accordingly. Now tell me what you want to do, Saispati. You want to subtract 63. So you will subtract it from the heavier side or lighter side. Which is heavy? So subtract, that's all. This is the equation. Earlier it was not an equation. I put the equal to sign. It was not an equation. See, if you write 5 is equal to 8, is it true? But if I say plus 3, yes. Similarly, 5 is equal to 8. No. But if I say like this, yes. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So after constructing the equation, we need to find the value of x. Okay. So let's solve this. So 90 minus 63 is 27. Yeah, I think. So 27 and minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. So minus 9x is equal to 9 minus 27. Minus 18x is equal to minus 18. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So now, therefore, the two, see the value of x you will not get the same in both. This is we have assumed differently here. So you'll say x we got here, what did we get x? X here we got 8. But that's with the different assumption. We took the one digit as x. So we got x is 8. This is 10th digit. Now, if if you get a number something like this in the exam, and after the exam you come and discuss with your friends, hey, what you got for x? And you say 8, and she says, well, then now you're confused. I went wrong or you went wrong. You will be praying that I hope she's gone wrong, and she'll pray that you have gone wrong. I hope. I hope she's gone wrong. But both of you will be right because you've taken different assumptions. Yeah, so x is 1. So ultimately your 2-digit number will be the same. Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to, what is the 2-digit number here? This one, 9x plus 9. That is equal to 9 into 1 plus 9, which is 9 plus 9, 18. What we get here? See, 18. Correct? Can you see the answer better now? Is it better than what it was earlier for you? Yeah, that's what it is. Everything you need to practice. Then it becomes easy. You want it to be very easy, super easy when you hear it for the first time. That's not possible. You don't remember how much you struggled writing ABCD when you were in LKG. Ask your mother how much the teacher you would have written in the 4-line notebook. A, the whole page, B, 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 C, 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 C. So many times we write. And finally we learn. Yeah. Yeah, children, I want you all to take down this working also. Please write down. Or, to save time. Oh, no, you write down. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, write down this answer. This is an alternate solution to the earlier question. Alternate solution to the earlier question. Done writing, online students? No response. Online students finished writing. Okay. Now all of you grab a phone from, from whoever is available at home, your dad, your mom, your grandmother, your granddad. Get their phone, take a picture of this answer and share it now on WhatsApp with me. I need to make sure all of you have been writing all the while. I want the picture in less than 2 minutes. Sorry? Okay, Gayatri, you can send it later. Others?
Ma'am, my dad is not home and my mom is using her phone. I don't think I can send it exactly right now.
Okay, then turn on your video and show it to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, I can see something, but I can't. It's not clear. Like, okay, no problem. Fine. Okay, Aishwarya. Yeah, I got it from Netra. Next picture, Netra. That is this one. The alternate solution. Yeah, the others, please respond quickly. Ariston, Harsha, Lakshana, Anintika. Done writing, children? Yeah. Done? All right. Next one. Yeah. Yeah, this is a test. Do it. Very good, Gayatri. Thank you for responding.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Lakshana, Harsha, are you there? Please unmute and tell me, are you there? Lakshana, Harsha, Ariston,
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Anantika. Okay. Are you writing, Ariston?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Ariston. Received your pictures. Very good. Okay, Lakshana has shared. All right. All right. Harsha. All right. Just work on the test question, children. Take down the question and work on this.
Ma'am, I got the answer is 55.
Yeah, but
Ma'am,
did
this
you
is
guess that or
Aishwarya.
you worked it? Yeah.
Even I have got the answer as 55.
No, was that a guess or you worked it? You have the steps for that.
Yes, ma'am, I do have the steps with me.
Yeah, okay. So see, if the tens, it's a two-digit number, the tens digit and the ones digit are the same. So the numbers can be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 or 99. Correct? Yeah, and when, so the sum of the number and when you reverse the digits, the sum is 110. So it has to be 55, right? The number 55 plus 55 is 110. You can guess it, but you need to show the steps. Yeah. 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 I'm not explaining this. I'm sure you all can follow this one, this working. Please take it down. I'll be happy to see Anantika's picture and Aishwarya's. Oh, Aishwarya said you don't have a phone beside you now. Anantika, can you share your picture on WhatsApp?
Ma'am, I actually only did the alternate method for question, like, yeah, for the
No,
previous
this one,
question.
this one. No. For this one, you told me, you gave me the answer, no, 55. That's a correct answer. I want to see the steps.
Oh, okay. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, Gayatri.
This is completed, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Understood the steps, children?
Yes,
Online
ma'am.
students? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. This again. Try this yourself first. Maybe we'll just do it together. Tell me. Phil, what should I write under the units place or the ones place? 5. Tens place? X. Very good. So what is the assumption? Let the tens digit. Let the tens digit be X. Correct? Now, therefore, the original number, the original 2-digit number is equal to, yes, Saujanya?
10
1 into 5. So that will be
10x plus
5. Very good. Now you can see in the question we have, children, the digits are reversed. The number obtained by reversing its digits. So when the digits are reversed, what happens? X. So therefore, the number formed by reversing the digits. Reversing the digits is equal to
10 plus 1 into
very good. So that is
50 plus
50 plus x. So we have the expressions for the original number and the new number. Now read the question. What is the equation? Online students, what's the equation? Perfect. Very good. That's it. Online students, equation. Harsha, I've been calling out to you. Harsha. Ariston, continue.
Ma'am, so x will be equals to,
Sorry. No, 1 minute. Ariston, help me from here.
yeah, I'll do.
Yeah.
So original number will be 10x plus 5 and the new number
Yeah.
will be 50 plus x. So 10x plus 5 plus 50 plus x equals to 121. That will be the equation, ma'am.
Open the bracket now.
Yeah, if we open the bracket, it will be 10x plus 5 plus 50 plus x, which is equals to 121.
Okay, next.
So now, yeah, it will be 11x plus 55, which is equals to 121.
Very good.
So 66x will be equals to 121.
No, Ariston.
Okay. Equals to 50. X equals to 44. Now, ma'am,
Ariston, take the number to the other side. Plus 55. Transpose that.
yeah, so it will become minus 55. So 11x will be equals to 121 minus 55.
Okay.
So 121 minus 55 will be
55 will be
6.
6.
66, ma'am. So 11x will be 66. So x will be 66 divided by 11. So x will be 6.
6. So what is the question? What should you find? You should find the
we should find the number of its unit place digit is by that.
No, you should find the number. If its
Yeah.
units digit is 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should find the original number.
So
What
it
is the
will be
expression for the original number?
10x plus 5, ma'am.
So substitute the value of x and tell me the number.
Yeah. So 10 into x is equals to 60 plus 5, 65. So original number will be 65, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you, Ariston. Write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Gayatri. Same steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So reopening of schools have been delayed, right? 12th it reopens. Is it only for Trichy? Okay, only here, huh? Any questions, Shreya? Clear? And the other thing that worries you is in school, the teachers run squares and square roots, so you're like not able to actually focus only in the equations. That's another problem you have, I feel. Your teacher's doing squares and square roots at school, is it? Or she's already completed? So you're worried about that. Yeah, I can see that. So today I'll share. I'll just share that video. I forget actually. Yeah, you? Some properties, huh? The problems. Sorry, I'm so sorry. The topic, huh? Oh, sorry, okay. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll share the video now with you. Yeah, I've sent it to your number, okay? Done, children? Okay. Yeah. This is our next question. So maybe you can take the LCM here. It's solid. Now the question says an altitude of a triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. So triangle, base, corresponding altitude, and you know the formula to find the area is half base into height. Half into base into corresponding altitude is the formula to find the area for triangle. So it's given that an altitude of the triangle is 5/3, meaning 5/3 of the length of its corresponding base. So if you call the base as x centimeters, if you call the base, if you call the base as x centimeters, the altitude is given to be 5/3 of its base. So 5/3 into x, because you've called the base as x. Altitude is 5/3 of the base. So 5/3 into x, which is 5x/3 centimeters. Now you can see that in the question there's something about area. So I found the area of the triangle. Original area of the triangle is equal to half base into height square units. Square units. So half into base is x, altitude is 5x/3. How do you multiply this? In the numerator we have 1x and 5x. In the numerator we have 1x and 5x. So multiply 5x into x is 5x square. And in the denominators we have 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So 5x square by 6 centimeters square is the original area of the triangle. Now, further the question says if the altitude were increased by 4 centimeters, if the altitude were increased by 4 centimeters, what is the original altitude? The original altitude is this one, 5x by 3. This is the original altitude. If this were increased by 4 centimeters, so plus 4, the new altitude is original altitude 5x plus 3. The new altitude is the original altitude 5x by 3 plus 4. Correct? Take the LCM. What's the common denominator? 3 is the common denominator. So this is by 1 here, no? So you understand 3 into 1, but here it is 1 into 3. So it will be into 1 here and into 3 here. Correct? LCM. So it will be 5x plus 12 by 3. 5x plus 12. Let me show it here if you want. See, children, how do you add this? 5x by 3 plus 4. How do you add this? 4 means 4 by 1. What's the LCM? 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So into 1 is the numerator. 1 into 3 is 3. So into 3 here. So 5x into 1 is 5x plus 4 3s are 12. So when you take the common denominator, it's 5x plus 12 by 3. 5x plus 12 by 3. All right. That's a new altitude. What about the new base? Base is decreased by 2. So what's the original base? X. It's decreased by 2. So minus 2. So now here we have the new altitude and the new base. So let's find the new area. With the new base and new altitude, let's find the new area. So new area will be the same formula. Formula is the same, half base into height. So half into base is x minus 2, the new base. And the new altitude 5x plus 12 by 3. Is it cold? Shall I turn it off, Shreya? Why? Is it because they... Okay, you can even change your place, like if it's no, okay. All right, so half into base into height. Okay, now multiply all that you have in the numerator. What do you have in the numerator? 1 x minus 2 and 5x plus 12. What do you have in the numerator? 1 x minus 2 and 5x plus 12. So 1 you can ignore it. So x minus 2 into 5x plus 12 in the numerator. And denominator we have 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Multiply all that you have in the numerator and write that product in the numerator. Multiply all that you have in the denominator, write it in the denominator. Online students following? Harsha? Understood so far?
Ma'am, I'm
Okay.
trying to write, ma'am.
Do you have a doubt, Harsha?
No, ma'am, this is Gayatri.
Oh, Gayatri, I'll come to you. Harsha, you understood? Okay. Aishwarya? Anantika? Ariston? Lakshana?
Ma'am,
Understood so far?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gayatri, what's your question?
Ma'am, why shouldn't we cancel 12 and 3 here, ma'am?
Come again?
Ma'am, in this new attitude, ma'am, 5x plus 12 by 3 is, ma'am. So why shouldn't we cancel 3 and 12, ma'am?
No. See, when it is okay. I'll tell you. I'll give you an example. You tell me if you can cancel, then I'll also tell you. Now, Gayatri, if you have 4 plus 6 by 3, will you cancel 3 and 6?
Yes, ma'am, we shouldn't have.
Will you do this 3 1s are 3 2s are and say the answer is 6, or will you say 4 plus 6 by 3 is 10 by 3? Which of the two is correct? This one or this one?
Yes, ma'am, 10 by 3.
No, which one is correct? 10 by 3 or 6?
10 by 3.
You can now supposing it's 4 into 6 by 3. Then you can cancel 3 1s, 3 2s are 8, or you can even multiply 24 by 3, which is 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. When the terms are connected by a plus or minus sign, you should not simplify like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the, so now we have the original, we have the expression for the original area of the triangle as well as the new area of the triangle. Now, what does the question say? The area of the triangle would remain the same. It's the same. Though the base and height, they are altered, the area remains the same. The area remains the same. For example, say you have a rectangle. You have a rectangle. This is 50 by 2. What's the area? 50 into 200 centimeters square or 100 square. Okay, centimeter square. Supposing you alter the dimensions. You make it 25 and 4. Still the area is 100 centimeters square. Dimensions are altered. Still the area is the same. So that can happen. That is possible. It's not that if you alter the dimensions, the area should change. You alter the dimensions, the area can remain the same also. They may change, they may not change. Anything is possible. See, here we have altered the dimensions. Length 50, breadth 2 has become length 25, breadth 4. But the area is the same. So in the same way, with the triangle, the area is the same. Now I'll read the question fully for you. An altitude of a triangle is 5 times the length of its corresponding base. If the altitude were increased by 4 centimeters and the base decreased by 2 centimeters, the area of the triangle would remain the same. Find the base and altitude of the triangle. So we use this information to construct the equation. Which one? The area of the triangle would remain the same. That's used to construct the equation. Okay. So what's the equation according to the condition, according to the question? According to the question, original area is equal to new area. Original area of the triangle is equal to the new area of the triangle. What's the original area of the triangle? 5x square by 6. 5x square by 6. New area of the triangle? X minus 2, 5x plus 12 divided by 6. Divided by 6. Okay, so x on either side gets cancelled. I've told you this. You can cancel the denominators. X on both sides gets cancelled. Now tell me, how do you multiply this one? How do we multiply x minus 2 and 5x plus 12? Who can tell me? How do we multiply, children? No.
From x into minus 2,
Yeah. Sorry.
x into minus 2.
X.
Sorry, ma'am, x into 5x plus 12
Very good.
and minus 2 is the 5x.
Very good. Gayatri, is it? Very good. We have done this. We have, while solving, when we started the chapter, yeah, we have done this. This is how we multiply binomials. This one has 2 terms. This bracket has 2 terms. This one has 2 terms. So how do you multiply? Multiply the first term with the second bracket, the second term with the second bracket. Multiply the first term x with the second bracket 5x plus 12. And multiply the second term minus 2 with the second bracket 5x plus 12. See, when you have a plus b into c plus d, whatever be the sign, it is a into the second bracket c plus d plus b into the second bracket c plus d. No, actually, it's very disappointing that, you can forget this basic. Very, very disappointing. That means you need to practice from your end. This one, the first time when I tell you, I can tell you in detail, but you should understand that every other time, because you've forgotten, I cannot help you recap that. You need to help yourself. Then I cannot go ahead at all. So now we are 10, there are 7 online and 3 here. Of the 10 students, only Gayatri has answered. So tell me, okay, you tell me, Sai Smriti, how do you multiply this? How do you multiply? X. Mm. Then, okay, this much you understood. Fine, good. So now, children, proceeding, 5x square is equal to multiply x into 5x is 5x square. x into plus 12 plus 12x. Minus 2 into 5x minus 10x. Minus 2 into plus 12 minus 24. So 5x, bring all the terms to one side, 5x, or you can have only the numbers in the right hand side. Take all the x and x square terms to the left hand side. So 5x square minus 5x square, or maybe you can simplify and then transpose. Just a minute. So we have 5x square is equal to 5x. Actually, you can cancel 5x square and 5x square if you understand that. Correct? 5x square gets cancelled on both the sides. Or if that's not fine, okay, so 5x square is equal to 5x square plus 2x minus 24. Now transpose 5x square minus 5x square minus 2x is equal to minus 24. So 5x square minus 5x square, 0. Minus 2x is equal to minus 24. So minus gets cancelled. X is equal to 24 by 2. So x is equal to 12. Who's come? For you? Okay. You can ask him to come and wait inside. Give them the general instruction that once the class is Sai Smriti, come here. Yeah, tell them in general that the class will finish at 9:30 and they can come at 9:30 to take you. Okay. Okay, if he's early, he can come and sit here inside. Yeah. X is 12, all right? Yeah, now the question is find the base and altitude of the triangle. What's the base? Base is x, 12 centimeters. And what's the altitude? 5 into 12 by 3. So 20. 5 into 12 by 3, which is 20. All right. Therefore, yeah, please write down, children. Take down this, children. Finished? Done? Done? Very good. Finished writing, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please ask me your questions, children. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Done? Okay. Yeah. So here the length of a rectangle, exceeds its breadth by 4 centimeters. The length, so let's, like rehearse that. The length of a rectangle exceeds, that means length is more. Length of a rectangle exceeds, that means the length is more. Exceeds its breadth. Length is more than the breadth by 4 centimeters. So let's assume then. We'll not read ahead. The more you read, more confused you'll get. So let's read. We understood something here. So let's assume. So which one is more? Length is more. The length of a rectangle exceeds. That means it's more than the breadth by 4 centimeters. So you say, let the what? Breadth be x. So the length will be x plus 4. Let the breadth be x. So the length will be x plus 4 because it is more than the breadth by 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, read that the length of a rectangle exceeds. That means the length is greater than the breadth by 4. By 4. So if you say let the breadth. Okay, children, see 1 minute. 1 minute. Now you can actually call anything as x. Let me put it that way. So now the thing is, why breadth should be x? Why not length is x? I'll answer that question. See, do you all understand that length minus breadth is equal to 4? In this situation, the length is more, right? So that means the difference between the length and breadth is 4. You please tell me, okay for this only, then I can proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two things, length and breadth. Okay. So which is greater? Length is greater. How do we know that? Because it's given. The question reads the length of a rectangle exceeds. So length is greater. Then what is the difference? 4. Exceeds the breadth by 4. So that means the difference between the length and breadth is 4. Now you assume anybody as x. Supposing you call the length as x. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. X. Supposing you call the length as x. X minus breadth is equal to 4. So what is the breadth then? X minus 4 is equal to the breadth. Do you understand that? Minus b goes to the other side as plus b. So x minus 4. So if you call the length as x and the breadth is x minus 4. Obviously, if the greater one is x, then the smaller one will be the greater one minus 4. If you call the length is like elder. Length is elder than the breadth. Okay. If you're calling the elder one as x, then the younger one will be the elder one's age minus 4, right? If you call the younger one as x, then the elder one will be x plus 4. It depends whom you're assuming, whom you're calling x. If you're calling the smaller one as x, the little one as x, then the elder one will be x plus 4. If you're calling the bigger one, the elder one as x, or the larger one as x, then the smaller one or the little one will be x minus 4. The difference between your age and your friend's age, or your age and your sister's age, is 4 years. The difference between your age and your sister's age is 4 years. So if you say your elder sister is x, then your age will be x minus 4. If you call your age as x, then your elder sister will be your age x plus 4. So it depends whom you're assuming as x, that's all. You can call anyone as x. So if you say let the breadth be x, that therefore the length will be, so you're calling the younger one as x. The breadth is small, we know. We're calling that as x. So the elder one, the length will be the younger one x plus 4 centimeters. Okay, that's about the assumption. If the length and breadth are each increased by 3 centimeters, the area of the new rectangle will be 81 square centimeter more than that of the given rectangle. So here also the question talks about the situation. We have a rectangle. Dimensions we have assumed. So you should find the original area. Then you must find the new dimensions and the new area. You have the dimensions of the rectangle, length and breadth. Using that, find the original area. Then read the question to find the new dimensions, the new length and new breadth, and find the new area. And then construct the equation using this one. What is that? The area of the new rectangle will be 81 centimeters square more than that of the given rectangle. We use that to construct the equation. Okay, so you can start writing with me now. Please take down the question and write the answer, children. Yeah.
Meeting gonna end, ma'am.
Sorry.
Is meeting gonna end, ma'am?
Yeah, with this we'll wind up the session for today.
No, ma'am, I'm not asking like that. Just alert is coming, ma'am. Still 1 minute left like that, ma'am.
No, don't worry about that. No. The meeting will end only if I end the meeting. You cannot leave the meeting without me ending it. Yeah. Because it's given that if the length and the breadth are each increased by 3 centimeters. So that means the length is increased by 3 and the breadth is also increased by 3. Oh, okay. Sorry. Yes. I just exchanged it. Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Saujanya. Thank you, Saujanya. New length is x plus 4 plus 3. Thank you. Yeah. A new length. My answer is, meaning the working is fully correct, but then length and breadth I exchanged. Okay, let me just change this one then. I'll just make this, I'll just change this one. New breadth of the rectangle. And this is new length of the rectangle. So then the final answer also, the new. Thank you so much. That's so important. Therefore, new For 2 minutes, வந்துட்டேன். 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 2 minutes. Yeah, thank you. Done writing? All right, children. So here also, like the question we had on triangle. No, I've shared the picture on WhatsApp. Maybe you can complete it later. I'll just finish it. Yeah. So like the question we saw on triangle, where we have the original base and altitude, and then the base and altitude are altered. A question earlier, no? But the area of the triangle remains the same. Even if the base and altitude are altered, the area of the triangle is the same. We saw a question like that earlier. So here we have a rectangle. Length and breadth we assumed, right? X and x plus 4. Now what happens? The dimensions are changed. The length and breadth each are increased by 3 centimeters. So you can find the new length and the new breadth. New length and new breadth you can find. Similarly, you can find the original area and the new area also. Correct? L into B will give you the area, not half base and 20. L into B will give you the area. Now, what is the condition? The new area is 81 centimeters square more. So, which is more? New is more. Which is more? New is more. That means the original area is less. So, how will you construct the equation? You write new area on one side and original area on the other side. Where will you add? To the lighter one, you will add. To the smaller one, you will add. Which is small? The new area will be 81 centimeters square more. New is more by 81 centimeters square. The new area, the area of the new rectangle will be 81 centimeters square more than that of the given rectangle. That means the new area is more than the original area. So that's why you see what I've done. New area is more. This is more. This is more. This is less. So to the lesser one, I've added 81. That's how it becomes an equation. The two sides are balanced now. Or you can alternatively, to the new area, you can subtract 81, minus 81 on that side. Do any one of the two, don't do both. That's it. Then you solve the equation and find the value of x and hence find the dimensions, the length and the breadth. For those who have not completed the answer, I've shared the picture on WhatsApp. So that will be useful to complete your answer. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave. Yeah. All right, online students. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call.